Okay guys, we're going to set up the small account I was talking about at the weekend. It's the beginning of the month, or the first Monday of the month. Seems like a good time to start. Roll the intro, and I'll tell you.
Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If it's your first time here, big fella Scruff. And sitting next to me is Noddy Winky. Well, we actually call her Tinky Winky, but she's got her noddy hat on. And she's working. There's a shocker. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Now, at the weekend, you'll have seen me do a little video about reinvesting profits, etc. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of restart an account for you as requested, because you wanted to see more of the small accounts. So let me kind of explain what it is that I'm doing. Just flick this over. I've currently just gone to market here. Now I've already told the guys what I'm doing on this. So if I come down into trade ideas, you'll see that there is a video here of that entire screen getting made up. Now from there, you'll see where it came from. Euro JPY is the strongest. And then if I go into Scruffy Bias, flick this up, it's actually telling me to buy this thing. Now it's currently $9:15. Don't like trading between 8 and 8:30. But now I'm looking to buy this thing. But with that said, that's in the background there working away. We need to set some parameters up. So I've just cleaned off a sheet. And what we're going to do is we're going to open a fresh one. Here. Okay. And we're going to put all the details in that we need. Now, this is a new one, so I'm going to just save that. So we're going to save it in my journals because I've got loads. And we're just going to call it Vanguard SE. And it's going to be for 24.25. Okay. Right. We're starting this with 700. And if I come to March, you'll see 700 there. My rules are we're going to day trade this. Because of the small amount involved, I'm only going to be trading the majors. I'm going to be using GoldenEye as my day trade. And I'm looking to trade it once a day. Okay. So it's telling me I can have a maximum bid of 70p. So we're going to put our bid sizes in at 0.5. So that's 50 pence, because that's roughly the smallest position. Now, what I'm wanting to do is grow this by 5% each month. And I want to keep it relatively low key. Well, in fact, we can do up to £1,000. We'll do 10%. So that's 70 quid we're looking to grow. So I'll put my goal in there as 70, which is the same. It's telling me I need to make £3.23 per day to hit that goal of 70 quid. Now I'm quite happy with that. Now at the moment, it has a maximum, so my split is actually only going to be 1. I'm only allowed 1 split. So what that's telling me is the maximum lot is 0.07 if you're using lots. I'm not. I'm using a pound money values, so I'll be keeping an eye on this. And this bit here is relatively simple. I have just gone into market. So it's that. The balance is 700. We'll invest 5% of the account. and we've gone in at 50 pence. All right, so that's what the situation is at the moment. This sheet tells me what my maximum stop can be, what my position size is, but it's also telling me what to run to as well. The market that we've entered is Euro JPY. It is the golden eye, and we are going long, and I am knackered this morning. I'm not feeling too well, and it is just market is pushing up. Very, very simple. So my journal's set up. I'm ready. I know what I'm looking for. Save that. And I'll put some little notes in here to see what I'm up to. And then I'm going to look to grow this across the year. We'll take money out of it as we go, and we'll drop it into Vanguard. So let's have a little look, see where we're up to on this. Well, it's now just pushing up, just like we thought. I should have actually got in here, but I was busy at the time. We're nearly at target as it is now. Let's have a look. What is that target? The target is 323. We are ahead of the game at this moment in time. So I could just kill this trade, which I probably will. Let's have a look, see where we're up to. Move that down into about here. Oh, it's pulling away. I'm just going to close the trade out. Boom. Right, that's the day done. Okay, so we'll just move that over there. 335 is complete. So let me just drop that down onto here. 335. There we go. So we have achieved what we needed to achieve. I would easily have held this for 10 pips or whatever, but why bother? I've only got to do that to get 10%. I'm already ahead of the game. That's it. And then if I drop that this side, it's going to tell me where I'm up to. So how many pips we're running at, and I'm at 100%, etc, etc, etc. So I'm quite happy with that. So there we go. Job done. And that'll do me for Monday. Just get into the swing of things, and that's it. That's how easy trading is if you pre-plan it. So there you go. Very quick one today. We'll get back into the swing of it tomorrow. Do keep your requests coming for Whiteboard Wednesday, all that sort of thing. But as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.